You see here some nerds taking pictures as they all pose their trucks, position their cameras carefully for the ultra shot.
Don't fall off the rock backwards.
Take a run down here to the other part and see all the sweet rocks that Kloverskayl has to offer. Do I work for Ultra? I just have Ultra shoes and a sweet Ultra hoodie. I'm super fit too, so that means I run a lot. Yeah. These guys got jokes. Looks like they got some rock racing cut in. Yeah. Some more trailing happening up here.
Just walk up easily.
This is usually about the spot. This has got a bunch of cool lines along here. Rock top over here, but it goes all the way down there also. And it's all pretty doable stuff, but this is the open spaces. Kloverskayl. These cool rocks, side hills, some rock race area in the middle section, and this sweet stuff along the riverbed. It's so awesome.
I've hardly been even doing that. I did.
I found a scale lake in the middle of all of this, and he's asked me to come over here and video his truck driving in the scale lake. So Fern, driving in the scale lake. Oh, it's too deep. Hey, point your radio at it, Fern. Show us. Point your radio at it. That's the way. Go around the other side. See if you can get it from the other side. No, leave it there, Leaf. Leave it there. He's gonna reconnect. It's fine. Yeah, the dirt's gotta settle. You should have gone the other side, Fern. Fern, what are you doing? Well, let Phil take a picture first. All right, now do it. Fern called for the cameraman again and drove it so deep into the water that he couldn't go. Point your radio at it. Here, it's back.
Try again.
Take two. I'm gonna. We were talking. We're gonna get a tube and just make a tube with a floaty that'll bring the antenna up.
Dead?
No, it's fine.
Oh, it's fine.
It just lost signal. He's got to go faster.
Can you touch the antenna?
Hey Charlie, come here. I want to show you something cool.
Now it's in the receiver box. You should mount the receiver to the roof.
What are you doing? He's taking the body off. He's pulling his antenna out, folks. Cover your eyes. Just put it on this water shelf. Alright, so Fern has repositioned his antenna for better underwater vision. Vision of his radio signals. Here it goes. Oh, he got it, he got it, he got it. Because the signal, go to this rock, go to this rock, go that way. Fall in the water, fall in the water, fall in the water, fall in the water, fall. Oh,
Send it, Ricky.
All right, now you got it. It's gonna come back.
Come on. Touch the antenna.
Closer.
Speak to me.
Put your foot out a little bit further.
Hey, you need the rugged. Under the water. Get the rugged.
Put your foot out there a little bit further. Leaf, we need your rescue boots to come get. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. Your boy Fern needs your help.
Hey, Tank, go to the car.
Watch out.
Tank, get the truck.
Hey, Tank,
Get the truck. Get the truck. Get the truck. He's all. I'm just gonna. Get the truck. Can you get the truck? Yes, I'll step on it. No, it's cold. I'm just gonna step on it some more instead. Get it. Get it. Get it. You got it. Oh, he's like, it's too cold. You guys suck. Oh, get it. Oh, good boy. Oh, you had it. Get it. All right, come here. Good boy. Over here. Go here. Good boy. You're a good boy. So I'm so confused.
Somebody's got to get the truck, though. Like, really.
Now we don't know where it is.
You'll find it. Go around.
Put your radio in there again. Closer.
Flyfun it out. Send it.
It's right there. I see the green.
Okay. Please, like I did. Get in there, Gordon.
He's running out of depth. He's hit the warning line on the boots. If I go, come from this side. Come from this side.
Go this side.
I think this side, Leaf. Leaf's like, stop telling me what to do. Oh God! Oh no! It's too deep.
That's a true friend. A true friend. Boy. It's first fault. Hey, I throw it in a deeper hole because he laughed at me.
Yeah, I'm getting out.
That's a good man right there.
Water and radio signals don't get along.
You need an underwater antenna now.
I don't know if that's a thing. We got a couple of people hanging out here towards the end of the afternoon. It's been a couple hours. Everybody's working out their favorite lines here and there. Found their tough spot. Some of them came back for it. Got some dudes way over there. Look at Tank doing some work. Yeah, Tank. What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up?
What happened? I bought the paint.
This is a sweet cage on a terrible paint job. It's not, I mean, Mark's saying it's not the worst thing ever, but it's pretty close.
Okay? It's okay, man. Oh, that's a lawn.
Oh! I win!
That was pretty cool.
That was pretty cool. I win. It's because the ballast is back. That's what happened.
These are my friends.
Yeah! They got together on purpose. Give me a second.
I'm just trying to drive through here.
Coming. Oh!
You're a terrible driver. It's Rich Dog 51 and the world famous Mark Weir.
Oh, so world famous. What, you know me? Don't you know who I think I am?
Grab the back light and let it shut on.
Like the Rama.
Nice.
Super chill, slow-mo, chill, low style.
You want to take a tire pull up?
Psycho power
Full nerd. We're going full
That
nerd.
looks like the recovery rig for sure.
I can't wait because it's
Yeah,
Look at the compression.
Charlie, you're messing with you.
We have windshield.
Hang on, let me back up a little bit.
Make it on the flats a little more. Keith Ledger. Right.
All right, let me come back a little bit.
It was pulling the front end of the Dodge out.
Yeah.
It was like
All right.
The wheels touched the ground and then it started doing a wheelie. Oh, look at that, baby.
Two Dodges.
Dodges, baby.
Try to keep it.
Look at his shocks are fully compressed.
That's sick.
I love servo winches.
Nerd. One lap.
Oh, God. I was looking at you, watching me.
Oh no! Flip me over, JFab! Get me, get me, get me! 2 laps! I think Fur's leading. Not anymore! Here we come inside! White flag! I think I am. Oh, got it, got it, got it! Woo! I figured I'd turn the camera on for the hike up so that we can enjoy the walk up. Down's not so bad, but this route up is a bit hectic. It's steep? I guess you could say steep. There are some sort of steps cut in. There's Rich Dog 51 from the YouTubes.
Getting ready to exercise my broken knee.
Rich Dog is also suffering from a little bit of what we call old man-itis.
Oh man, I
We're both. I turned 40 this year. Do you turn 40 this year?
No.
Not yet. Rich wasn't born in the 70s. Woo! And that's about the hike. Well, how many stories down do you think that is? From here to here? Yeah? It's not bad. 4 or 5 stories is our guess. 6 to the top. Yeah, that's a wrap.